Good morning, everyone. In this video, I'll be talking about identity matrix, and we are going to fix idea with this example. Amen. This example says if B is a 2 by 2 matrix such that B raised to power 2009 plus B raised to power 2008 is equals to identity. This means identity. Show that B all in bracket raised to the power of 2008 raised to the powers of minus 1 equals to B plus identity. You know, in a given matrix, if we have, let's write solution first, amen. You know, when we say identity matrix, 2 by 2 identity matrix, this is how it is 1 0 0 1. You discover that this is an identity matrix. Why? Because all the diagonals are equals to 1. Is that clear? Then when we are talking about 3 by 3 identity matrix, 3 by 3 identity matrix is of this form: 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Amen. This is a 3 by 3 identity matrix. You discover that the diagonal, these are the diagonals, are equals to 1. So, when we say identity, identity means 1. Amen. Identity means 1. So, it implies that identity matrix is of this form. It implies that this is an identity matrix. Are you following? So now this thing you are saying, this is known as identity, or we can still leave it like this. Amen. So please don't get confused with this sign. This is the sign of identity matrix. Okay, let us look at this scripture. Amen. Yes, the question says if B is a 2 by 2 matrix such that B raised to power 2009 plus B raised to power 2008 is equals to identity. It says show that B raised to power 2008 all in bracket raised to power minus 1 is equals to B plus identity. It's simple as ABC. Amen. Please, what you help me do is to share this video to those who are finding mathematics difficult. Is that clear? Try and help somebody so that at least through you that person might be blessed mathematically. Amen. Okay, so let's look at it this way. Okay, let's write B raised to the powers of 2009 plus B raised to the powers of 2008 equals to identity. I told you that we can leave it as 1, or if you want to leave it this way, no problem. It's the same thing. It's okay. Now, at this point, they said we should show that this is equals to this. This left hand side is equals to this. How are we going to show? That is what I want to show you. Amen. So now, here we are going to apply what is called indices. If you can see what I am saying, amen. Okay, let me open your eyes to see what I am saying now. We will apply indices here. How? Note that, note, amen, note that if we have a raised to the powers of 4, if we want to apply indices, this is the same thing as a dot a raised to the powers of what? 3. True or false? Do you agree with me? Then it implies that in indices, since the bases are the same, we apply multiplication law 1 plus 3. It will still give us back this idiot. Amen? Are you following? Do you agree with me? So now we want to do something here. You discover that we have B raised to the powers of 2008. Then we are going to simplify B raised to the power of 2009. Amen? Okay, let's do it together. Okay? So now, note that B raised to the powers of 2009 This is the same thing as b dot b raised to the power of 2008. True or false? Do you agree with me? So if you apply indices here, you still get back this idiot. Look at it together. We discover that this is b, this is b. The bases are the same. We apply multiplication law here. Amen. So b raised to the power of 1 plus 2008. We discover that this will give us b raised to the power of 2009. True or false? Okay? So if you agree with me, let's look at it together this way. Amen? Okay? So now, it implies that instead of b raised to the power 2009, we are going to write it this way: b dot b raised to, mind you, please, this dot is the same thing as times. Please don't get confused. Is that clear? It's not point. I mean dot. This is dot. It is not point. So please take note. So here, instead of this, we are going to write it this way: b dot b raised to the power of 2008 plus b raised to the power of 2008 is equals to 1, identity. Amen. So if you can see what I am saying, amen. Are you seeing what I'm saying? Ask yourself what is common the left hand side. We discovered that b raised to the power of 2008 is common. True or false? You bring it out, factor it out. B raised to the power of 2008, all in bracket b plus 1, amen, equals to 1. True or false? You discover that b raised to the power of 2008, if you factor it out, you know here will be 1. True or false? Because you use this one to multiply this, you still get back this. Plus, you use this one to multiply this one, you still get back this. Equals to what? 1. Identity. Amen. So if you agree with me, if you can see what I am saying, what we need to do is, if you can see what I am saying, you discover that we are getting the answer. What we need to do is for us to divide through by b raised to the power of 2008, divide through amen, by b raised to the power of 2008. So if you agree with me, it implies that b raised to the power of 2008 all over b raised to the power of 2008, then all in bracket b plus 1 equals to, since divide through by 1, all over b raised to the power of 2008. True or false? So if you can see what I'm saying, this and this will go. Then the left answer will have b plus 1 equals to 1 all over b raised to the power of 2008. Amen. Okay. So now note that this is the same thing as in indices. If we have, note in indices, note that if we have 1 all over a, this is the same as a raised to the power of minus 1. True or false? So we are going to have b plus 1 equals to b raised to the power of 2008, all in bracket raised to the power of minus what? 1. True or false? So if you can see what I am saying, therefore we conclude by saying our b raised to the power of 2008, all in bracket raised to the power minus 1, is equal to b plus 1. So you can see that we arrive at the answer. They say show that this is equal to this, and at the end of the day, look at it. Is it difficult? Any question? There is no question. Thank you and God bless. Please make sure you like this video, share it. Thank you and God bless you.